Okay, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verbs. So adopt, adopt, adopt. To take something, so it becomes your own, mine. Whether an animal, person, or thing. Yeah. So she adopts a child. That family have adopted another baby. How cool is that? They will adopt more children. Yeah. She wants to adopt a son. Yeah. Makes sense. I'm adopting new ideas. Yeah, new ideas and technologies. Yeah. 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 New ideas, new tech. I'm adopting new software, for example. I'm slowly adapting to the new technology that we are adopting. Adapting, to get used to something. Adapting, we're getting used to. Adopting, the thing we're taking. We're taking this new technology and using it. It's ours now. He adopts it. Yeah. He or they will adopt that new technology soon as well. Soon too. How cool is that? So that means we say I adopt, you adopt, they adopt, she adopts, she will adopt more children. There's the plural, children. She adopts another child. She adopts another boy. He adopts. He adopts the new techniques. He adopts the new mannerisms. He or she adopts the new techniques. Yeah. He adopts the new way of life. He adopts it. He takes it and then gets used to it. He adapts to it, but he adopts it first, and then slowly he gets used to it. How cool is that? So he tried to adopt a dog. Yeah. I adopted some dogs years ago. I adopted 3 dogs. We are adopting foreign manners and behaviorisms. Yeah. I might adopt a foreign accent if I stay there long enough. Yeah. Foreign, different country, different culture, country, places, people, cuisine, climate, and beyond. How cool is that? She wants to adopt British etiquette. She wants to adopt the British etiquette, behaviour. Yeah, the British etiquette, the way people eat and talk and dress and behave. So he will adopt new ideas from them. Yeah. He will learn new ideas from them. Yeah, definitely. He will adopt these ideas and take them in, and he will learn from them. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, adopt. Yeah. To take something and then it becomes your own. Whether an animal, adopting a pet, a person, adopt a child, or a thing, adopt the etiquette. Yes. Adopt the rules. We will adopt these rules in our own life, in our own country. Yeah. How cool is that? We will adopt these rules in our own country too. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So, adopt. Now, can you write adopt in a sentence? Comment below with adopt. And you can like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.